Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Mini today, and this is the Mini Clubman. But all the Mini Coopers or Clubmans or all the cars have almost same multimedia units. So from factory, this car came without any CarPlay support, but there was an option to program the CarPlay. We can do coding for this unit, but the customer had a Android mobile phone, so he wanted the Android Auto. So in this version we cannot program the Android Auto, so instead of Android Auto programming, we tried the MMI box. So customer purchased itself this is the MMI box sitting, but we haven't done the installation, so I will explain you the same functions. We are also providing this box, but if you want to purchase yourself, you can purchase yourself from anywhere. We will do the installation stuff. So first of all, here you can see all the Android Auto applications that I have on my mobile phone are available here. For example, this is maps, and we have all the map applications here. We can do full screen as well. If I tap on maps, it will be full screen. With this side icons, I have the Google News, so we can use Google News or any call option. Then there is a menu button that we will hold this button and it will shift back to the original Cars Mmi option, and on holding this button again, it shifts back to the CarPlay, you can say, or Android Auto menu. So here we have the exit. If we go outside the Android Auto menu, then we have this home menu of this MMI box, which is firstly the CarPlay, Android Auto, inputs, mirroring, settings. So we have different inputs in this box. Then we have mirroring, then we have setting options, some settings for cameras, for parking. You can connect front camera, back camera with this module. That's pretty much everything that I have tell you that comes in the box. So if you have any questions, queries, you can ask me in the description below. I will be happy to answer you. We have our own box. This one is from I don't remember, this one is BMW Beamer Tech. So but our box that we are selling in Sweden is more advanced than this, because as you see, there is no touch support available here. But if you purchase your box from us, so we will provide you this touch function as well in the original screen. If you go to original screen, so you can see this car has the touch screen, not the normal screen that comes in other cars. But this box only supports, because this is the older version, so only supports the iDrive control. Then this box doesn't has the original Bluetooth connectivity. I will check it out later, but you can contact us, and we will be happy to answer you. All the information is in the description below. That's it for today. See you next time, another video. Bye bye.